Hey y'all, it's me, Joanna, the owner and operator of Joanna's DIY Life. Yep, I do all this, and really, who knows what else. But today, we are going to be building some snowmen out of just stuff I have here, and there the cuties are, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these fall cutting boards. I got an abundance of them. Not really, but I have a few. And I'm going to take this faux leather thingy off and the tag. And then I'm going to take and get this. This is one of those gagging sticks. Tongue depressor, whatever you want to call it. I call them gagging sticks because what do? They gag you with them, right? Yeah. So it slipped when I went to ride it because that bamboo board is slick. So I'm going to put it on here and I'm going to draw me a line, and that's going to be where I, kind of want to stay in the vicinity. So I did the bottom with white chalk paint. I did the top with black chalk paint, and then I painted this with chalk paint. And I did use a sponge brush because that helped me not get so many, a smoother surface is what it helped me get. Lines, paint marks, paint strokes, paintbrush marks, whatever you want to call it, y'all. And anyway, so I sanded that off after I cut it with just a pair of scissors. And then I'm not doing anything to the back. This did pop off with hot glue, so I had to use just regular Gorilla Wood glue. Okay, Gorilla Wood glue. That's the best thing that you could use, that or Titebond Quick and Thick. I love my Titebond Quick and Thick, but I'm trying to get down to just using one glue. So I'm trying to use all the glues I have, or at least 2 glues. 3 glues, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So I'm going to use that Gorilla Glue. It popped off. You'll see it pop off in a second. And then I was gonna paint those, and I thought, let me paint those. And when I was doing this, I realized that it's not gonna hold. The glue does not hold. So, yeah, I scraped it all off, re-glue it, and then I paint the back of my stick, okay? All right, I did clamp it down to hold it until it, stayed. So I've got these stickers from last year. I have a love-hate relationship with these, so I'm trying to get rid of them, because I don't want to just throw them away. And then I have one big pair of glasses left from Hobby Lobby before they switch to the smaller little stickers that are so cute. So I'm just going to put this on there, okay? And all you do is stick these. They don't need anything over them, I don't think. They stick pretty good, so you ain't got to worry about it. But anywho, I'm going to put his little cheekies on here, and then I'm going to stick my stickers down. Now, I stink at doing faces, and that's why I am using my sticker, or I bought the stickers in the first place, so I'm just going to use them. It's so cute. I am loving these glasses things and these little nerdy snowmen and stuff like that. I love it. But anywho, so I'm just going to put these down, and then I was going to draw where it went, and I thought, just stick the sticker in there, And I did try to do his hat a little crooked and end up getting it more straight than crooked. But, it is what it is. So his eyes are going to be crooked. He's looking up at something. I don't know. But anyways, he's cute, ain't he? He's cute with or without the glasses, all right? So, the glasses here are a little bit sticky, but I don't trust them. So I'm going to take super glue, and this don't come out. So y'all ain't got to sit here and watch all this mess. I had to unclog it. But anyways, I'm going to use super glue to put these down. Okay, my glasses are stuck, and I've got this sprig that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I think it was $8.99 or something like that, but it was 50% off. So, and these things go a long ways. I bought it because they are teeny tiny, and I needed teeny tiny stuff to do my teeny tiny projects. So this works out perfect. And when I pulled it off, I've already used this one before, so I just glued one to it. You can glue these to each other and just make them fuller or whatever you want to do to them. So anyway, so I'm going to take a piece of felt, because that's just, it's going to help it stick to that. Nothing likes to stick to this bamboo, I'm telling you. Even when you paint it. So I'm going to take a little piece, and then I'm going to cover it up so it ain't no big deal. You ain't going to see it. And I'm just going to stick my greenery to that. And then I'm just going to take my hot glue and put it on there and start smushing my greenery down and put that down and fill that in until it makes me happy. Alright, now I got my greenery down and I got these berries. You couldn't see it, but it's from the Dollar Tree, okay? And they're really, really cute, and I love the fact that they sparkle, and I just wanted to add them. Now, I fooled around with this wire. I'm just going to tell you I fooled around with this wire, and I ended up cutting them off the wire because that wire got on my nervous system, and I couldn't even get it to go down with the wire, so yeah, that went haywire. Yeah, we went haywire right here. So anyways, I cut them off. I took my wire snips, my little mini wire snips, and cut them off. And then I'm just going to glue these berries around in there, like wherever I want them, okay? Okay, y'all. I'm going to mess around with this Snow Tech again. I really don't have faith in this stuff. I really don't. I'd rather make my own. But I'm going to stir it up good, like it said. And I'm going to flick it all over my snowman. But it's okay. I get it off. Don't worry. It's no worries. You won't see it. So I'm going to stir it up and get it off my stick. Y'all, I might as well have used my stick to put this on because I was making a mess. I mean a mess. I wish y'all could have just seen me cross my eyes. Y'all make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. That's why I got that little thing up there, but I always forget to tell y'all. So I put that up there because it's a reminder. You see it. You see me up there with my thumb up? Give me a thumbs up. All right, so I'm taking a brush. Look what I did. Look what I did. When I went to smash it down in there, yeah, I smashed it all right, all over everything. So I cleaned that off. And you really got to just scrape it off. That's why I said probably the stick would have did better. But you know what I ended up using? My finger. Because I think I have more control with my finger than I do anything that I have in my hand to begin with. So anyways, I do add a little more. After I got that on there, I'm going to take this very fine glitter that I got from my sister and spread that on there, and it glues right in it and it stays. I mean, and then I blow it off all in my floor. I'll vacuum later, no worries. And then I'm going to put some snow on his glasses. That I ended up using my finger to put clumps on it because it was just not working. So I've got this little container of rusty bells that I rusted, and I'm going to take this big bell right here and I'm going to put a piece of the felt that I had laying over here on it. Yeah, that looks a little cruddy, but we cut it off, we fix it, you won't see it, and then I'm going to glue that right down in right there. And then, you see my berries, I snowed them all up. You can't even see that they're red anymore unless you look at it from an angle or close up. The camera doesn't look at, like it's red, but they're red, I promise. I just got a little carried away with the Snow Tech. So anyways, this is my box of berries and pine cones and all that stuff. And I'm going to take these little bitty, teeny tiny pine cones, and I'm going to stick them in here and there and yonder. And just fill in some gaps. And then I'm going to take some more greenery and stick in. And I'll show you what all that looks like. You ain't got to see all this because I'm just like sticking stuff everywhere just to put it in. You see my old gray hair and all that mess. So I'm just going to, I'm going to fast forward this, okay? So this is what he looks like. I got to let that Snow Tech and all that glitter dry before I put a string on it. But anyways, now on to this one. I've got this jug and it had coconut milk in it. Okay, and it's a little off color. I should have thought about that before I did what I did. Okay, so I put polyacrylic in it. Okay, and I'm going to swirl the polyacrylic around. I'm going to do this just like you would do an ornament. You know, those ornaments that we all did back in the day. Yeah, you put polyacrylic in there. You swirl it around, and then I'm going to drain it out into something and then pour it back in my polyacrylic squirty bottle there. Then I'm going to let this dry tacky just a tad bit. And then I'm going to take this glitter, and it's extra fine glitter. I got it at Walmart, and it says white glitter. Okay, which it is. But when I put it in this off-colored bottle, yeah, it turns blue. It turns blue. It's not white at all. My daughter's like, Mom, that thing's blue. You know what? We're going to roll with it, ain't we? Yes, we are, because it is what it is. So I'm going to add more glitter. And I thought when I started doing it, it's going to dry white. It does dry a little whiter, but no. Because that was like amber looking. Yeah, it's tainted. But she comes out cute. So, anywho. So, I'm going to shake that around. Y'all, I didn't even have to pour no glitter out of there because there wasn't no glitter coming out of there. I used what I used, and that's that. So, I got these big old socks from Dollar Tree either last year or the year before. Okay, they're really long. And I thought that is going to work out perfecto for this one right here. So what I'm going to do, yeah, I was telling y'all that's white, but it come out blue even after it's drying. Yeah, it is what it is. Kind of matches the sock, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of a bluish green, minty, greeny looking thing. And right there where that white part is, where the heel of the sock could be, we're going to do something with that. But I'm going to put it down and I'm going to fold it up a few times and just make it a little thicker where it looks like it has like a brim of a hat, a rim of a hat. And then I'm going to take this, what is that stuff? It is coated wire. Got this from my sister too. It's brown paper coated wire. So I'm going to tack the hat down, and I wish that I would have pulled it down just a little bit further on this head because she kind of looks like a cone head. I'll fix that in a minute, but when I first look at it, I'm like, cone head, Christmas cone heads, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm going to take this wire and I'm going to wrap it around, and I wrapped it real good around that heel part. And now when I get to this, we need a ball. I should have stuffed it, okay, but it don't matter. There's a ball right there, you know what I'm saying? You pull that tight enough, you're gonna form a little ball right there. It's okay. You could put a ball on it if you want to. It's whatever you want to do. But yeah, I think it's cute the way it is. I really do. But yeah, it still looks like a cone head. So anyway, there's my wire, and I do take glue and tack it here and there and yonder. So I got this cradle, cup cradle, and I absolutely love it. It works way better than the one I made with the what is it, pool noodles. So anyways, this face right here, oh my goodness, it made me mad. Okay, if you have these, cut these eyes and stuff apart and then lay them down, because they don't lay down straight. So you'll see me fooling with it, but I'm not even going to show you this because it was a pain in my hiney, and I had to remove it all, try to get it straight, still didn't get it straight. So I just ditched this face, kept the mouth, got another set of eyes, cut them apart, laid them on, and I'll show you in the final reveal, okay? Alright, I didn't show me picking it off, but look, you see where I had to cut it to try to get it to lay down, and it still didn't lay down. So I end up ripping it off. But anywho, yeah, there she is for right now. So I'm going to lay her back down in the cradle, and that hat was really getting on my nerves, and I done glued it and couldn't pull it down no further, so I was like, well, forget it. So I pulled the brim down just a smidgen, okay, just a smidgen, and I re-glue all the way around, alright? And then once I get that tacked down, I could have pulled it up, but then it just, then my wire wouldn't have been right. It would have just been all wrong. So I just left it and just pulled it down. So anyways, so I'm going to take a piece of chunky yarn and put around that hat eventually. But for right now, I've got this sprig that I got from Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love it. And since it's a girl, I'm going to give her some glitter. Alright, so I'm going to put my glue on here, and I'm just going to tuck it down in the brim of that hat here and there and yonder. And why am I saying here and there and yonder lately? I don't know. I sound like an old fogey. Yeah, well, maybe I am. I'm not even going to tell you my age, because I'm not going to tell you my age, but I am an old fogey. So I'm just going to put these in here, okay, and I'm going to put them around and around and fill this in. And then I've got I'm going to use two of this other one that I absolutely adore, and I got it at Hobby Lobby too, and it's real glittery, and I'll show you right here. It is so stinking cute. I don't know how much these are, but they're all 50% off, so you might as well go get them. It's better quality than Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to cut two of them off, and they go flying. But anyway, I'm going to stick them in there, and then I'm going to get those pine cones that's on there. They're all white and glittery. And I'm going to stick those in, and some berries, and decorate her hat, okay? It's the same thing, me just sticking stuff in until my eyes are happy. Okay, before I finish the embellishments, I'm going to take this right here, and this came from Hobby Lobby, and they're really, you know, like iridescent, maybe glittery, I don't know, snowflakes. They're cute is what they are. And I'm going to intertwine this around, and I do glue this down, because if you don't, it will shift and move, so you have to glue it down. I'll just raise it up and stick the hot glue underneath of it, but I'm going to tack it in down there, tuck it down in there so you don't see it, and it's going to go right in between. All right, and I'm going to go all the way down to the end and glue it and hide that. Okay, y'all, there is the final reveal. The lighting's a little rough, but hey, I'll turn it on in a minute. Oh, maybe it is on. It is on. Look at him. He's so nerdy and cute, ain't he? That's the cutest little cutting board I ever seen in my life. Yeah, people do them, but they didn't do them like me. All right, and there you could see where I cut the eyes apart, okay? And then I added a little bow tie and a scarf to the bottom with the sock and one of those things there. There's my berries and my pine cones. Ain't it pretty? Y'all, she's a cutie patootie. I'm still not in love with those eyes stickers, but whatever. They are linked in my Amazon store if you want to give them a try, and the stickers and stuff like that. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Remember that you are a blessing. Goodbye.